Meaning of eccentricity.
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 Eccentricity. Eccentricity refers to the degree to which something or someone deviates from the norm or established practices. It can also refer to the state of being unconventional, peculiar, or idiosyncratic. Eccentricity is often associated with individuals who display unusual behavior or hold unconventional beliefs. While some may view eccentricity as a positive trait that leads to creativity and innovation, others may view it as a negative trait that hinders social integration. Ultimately, the meaning of eccentricity depends on the context in which it is used and the opinions and attitudes of those involved.